ema national assignment no eno so nkomo eguso ha yewese na nche ACL code na parliamentarians eka woko parliament yewo select committee on sports youth and culture omso nkomo ben ana omode eba efa sanhyeha hodo eno so etuense ppm no ministry of youth and sports for omo so na ehwe anim senyame adoma sanhyehi omo sabetia kesika na afie disbese ne kama omso de adwumadie ana omo ADF Asamoah camp ne nkomo ena ho we ni nkomo berebi ana de bro still our Asempa Asempa 94.7 FM so nyame adoma nipa da sane ati wiasim ye body soul and spirit nyame adoma ye be the spiritual aspect of game no se na nyama Asia comedy kan ka kire da aye a whole lot of presentation on the spiritual aspect of the game among for say game near scientific but we se na nyama siko so o call the scientific way no kwa on sabesi fam and it will combine the amalgamation of the scientific methods and then the spiritual methods nyame adoma ye be hwede na sunsun for so eka e de fa ye African Cup of Nations e ko ho na obepiem ha dia gifting antied mami wono ana in charge of social media we twa tia to so tafa anene uko Facebook abon se ampa dwumedie eguso ekoso writer amenyo right hand man ewa ha ana afi so Philip 2 AK47 the gunshot man imonta kwa meja kwa champ papa yi ekwa homegem ono so asaba obeboa ema san hyehyɛ sonkwe atimi akoyi san so na Kobe the scavenger ono so adashi nyame adoma me so mu na ba beka ho Bernard Padi Botwe na afi all the wonderful members of the crew mremfi ejabrefa kwa obruku ahene ono so ewa ha nyame adoma yewie dwumedie a ne aka no so ba bekyekere podi atum na obi ahun sana nyama ACL ko Michael Okan the youngest researcher in Tampa Bay enya translate da nyame adoma ode ebedoma suko ewa manane tokrum na afi ode ne thick on sana nyama ACL ko ewa the senior national soccer team Blasters of Ghana ye AFCON akensi kesia ye de ani 8 sa kira se nanka dwumedie no owe mu ne sana nhyɛ si kwa ye first destination be Dubai ne akoye training be 30 days one sana mepem no ye bu yaketem e de ani akire Egypt Faroe asase so na ye de African Cup of Nations no etian sapem so medical analysis na chelsea so groups na ejeje Cup of Nations na group F baby Ghana wono enka ho bi ampaniampa wensusu so ba na jese ade anema anwene ne sen ade ama hyehyɛ wodo no so 18 ppm won so edi nkontompo ene na baraba atum se Cup of Nations no ye fasters and the course adwumede kesi ase no won so nkomo no ma nyame adoma ye bewese na adwumede no ebesi akọ hyehyɛ eno so 18 ppm honim na won se na nyama esitie dwumede eno so course na high still Asempa 94.7 FM so anu asungu so atie no ye running show from now to 9 obetua send WhatsApp comments e dia ba 0244483290 0244483290 na odo wadwenkyere atua ba na ye se na nyama ebesi akonkoma atwetwe ha no eno anado wadwenkyere be ba ho on set questions fa fifi ema waye enye ne saa pepe ana radio enso enye ne saa ye bekom na afi ye hwe se na dwumede no ebesi akọ channel so bio ema me se okekwani kyire ma hwe se na nyama esitia Hit FM rep your Jesse 2019 dwumede be the hit 103.9 FM and ye den the 9th edition of the Rep Your Jesse 2019 18 Saba which team and I will support to dwumede and also ebetimi abaso na hobede nti ye hwe se na nyama ebesi akọ
5 4 3 2 all you
ampa unu yaketwa ampa medika ga chiro Hit FM rep Jesse dwumede no ebe de na ye sena niama Asia ko Anfield Warriors omo eba Liverpool fonso eba na fe Tottenham Hotspur nkrofo enso ebe ba mesrew 5-a-side football tournament basketball volleyball arm wrestling omo mabasa mu edene nyame adoma chaso sese be the barrister nkrofo omo ebe ho ball juggling competition be baso ladies penalty shootout ye gifty ladies penalty shootout bomodiada se obetwin asore fimpam na also abebo sa penalty shootout bi na aboa emaniama akwedi ama ladies no e ba cha obetwin register for the basketball and volleyball no obetwin akọ www.myjoyonline.com na wetwin sa click rep your Jesse banner no na we follow SNS link na esi ekọ e ba cha Saturday 1st of June 2019 Aviation Social Center 12 o'clock noon to you drop and ajumedi baso rep your Jesse is brought to you by Hits FM and I supported by Joy Prime Simba bet for techi or best always na Hennikins ensa a man for about tim sampa manum kan ko yi DSTV say feel every moment na fi Go TV say live it and love it KFC Mr. It's finger licking good and it mo dey that sound sabiti akabi na fi koba 395 koba 395 it's that simple obetimi any omedin so na fi shaka vodka energy mix and so as let the lion in you roll and obvious unique in super so attach pa citrus mission capsules for and so Eddie about slim to look smart for the future na fi so cap farm limited phone paying for number 1 electronics and home appliances discount near free giveaways and so and I feel so certain drink experience a refreshing taste you know what you drink especially with in so opeso no dia na certain drink and you can for their mouth sakebia and also ebetia bona for ye sports Ghana and I studio HD wo mo na techi aboa ema ye the hit FM refugees jumagino etimi aba Champions League final showdown no eguso ekos Mr. Modenda so do when ebetia sanchi UEFA Champions League no wan ana eji kro kesende sin so Liverpool ohema na se old woni echima Tottenham Hotspur for ana eji Sanchez on Queen Diasium so join eyen Bush Canteen ajenga no Eric Sedubu kwaku twumu ene penfo do ni na yi never touchly on the 1st of June 2019 at 3 p.m. and yedisa live coverage of UEFA Champions League final no ebetia bro commentary net yapo net yase yemu ede na ehwam and yebe tichire dia bro e fidie so na afia Bush Canteen wajenga no no omso fufuo na de nyame adoma emu bi de fufuo ni ti ene de ni etiansa che yakoba ba bi na 1st June 2019 amana krabehwe e de amantibra Bush Canteen na foni embe hia ho ne hwem ama ne ma entertainment no eba so you giveaways be ho yes and ama remember Saturday 1st of June Bush Canteen ajenga no 3:30 3 p.m. pepe no na dwumedi na kasa ahyase till say wankasa obebre na fi wagyae ho na mu hwes na the Mexico so event no is brought to you by MyBet.Africa home of betting na fi video money lending instant loan and more edema me pacho hia guarantee bia and na fi sling bet say take a shot and win and na fi GD Power DSTV say so much more and na Go TV say live it and love it madama woman na touch aboa e Champions League final no akensi ni na de ni etian Sanchez Fred Dano Michael ni ademu bia ni obetra fi nyina yeko ajenga no ho na fufuo no ebeba ntino say enye bo no kra na fufuo ni ntino yejinem ayeboa e madwumedi na etimi akoyi Rocket Clinic Limited for paying for I say woman at the Nova Pana by Shaman from or Pum don't serve etiaque Rocket Limited. Woman at the Veni and Omdiaba, Huma, Veni capsules and Omdiaba for the treatment of burning sensations and pains. When you owe Jonsa, Nasa Otia frequent you need to board Jonso Kona Oba or Kona Oba or Jonsa Najo, Bonso San Jonsa, a whitish fluid, be fit bit me free. Jonso yellow nim, Esan Fra Jonson out him Senenica, and I for Jonson so about him Sampa or bits of said as a muke canibia se mu de years I bisa ye Johnson na ho amania bayi olusu control e Johnson and as a bu okran so outside that na dwa outside Johnson obeso dan no na na tweta no wa Johnson ho beso yampa no wa Johnson mesrew sa ohawi obo so kwa behwe no Johnson enya nika e bonu na afi so kwa no ye cloudy urine bi enso no so ya na nipa bibiri na atimi the prostate enlargement and tete with am still Veni capsules and I make up for the amount Vini capsules and I make up for the amount set me can be a bit bois for early results no or the Akamen natural mineral water and I'll between the air capsules here beboa and my wife so see come ama when ASI adena to quantapa adenta pantan junction myself your building honum oko care TV and anima a ho and your alaba and I feel abu station opposite the Sika house and also repart ventures kanshi Kingswalk Heba and so kanshi na nisi pharmacy kanshi baseline pharmacy and so ho and Ozone's chemist umina and attach ama Rocket Clinic Limited yedu idea ba 70 capsules no nyama etia kwe dia ma so betia friend 0244 183230 0244 183230 na one Rocket Clinic for paying for yentwetwe nkomo wapomodon sem bibi atochima bia akọ ha behwa boa ema nyama etia kwe edia ma Rocket o madam ho and Richmond Hagan and you hwese na nemesi kwana ko dwunso mu hawo ene sa hawo wone no atonkwanta apai hit fm rapio jesse medical kan wasa match da se modern da se obehia hobeboa ema niama atia koye ede amount sanso ana eye jackpot kese pa ana adwumaku batten from se betway omode aba na betway ese o play pick 5 house select 5 matches result greater odds ne boa ma we ni up to 10,000 Ghana cedis ye umpewe na peka ya mutuma ene kuhwe o play up to 15 o select 15 matches results and also between the best 1.6 million years can ye me pacho mega colossus no about 10 million play colossus now select 7 correct score lines na boa emwe discover food ye na what are you waiting for, brothers and sisters? Take a shot at being the next Betway billionaire. Obetia ko www.betway.com.gh. Register now. Now the Betway and ko share Michael mo, share Mota mo, share Philip Tuma, and name dem ho beti when you say bi adwuma no maja to na say e bi o mani nu adwuma no nem agro no donti ana nei wom dem ho age beti mo beti a e ha fadwene kakra to san say beti ndi wa na ya enti fadwene kakra to say be beti aboa na watumi nya kakra na wasande apodwe akiri mesraw ginyame ventures from paying for and omo etechiri na ginyame ventures for at the intensive practical training na mankofo e de fa dwumade bia by friends 3D opposite na 3D opposite no a new technology for designing walls and floor tiles ye na west down for a hotel restaurant and say guest house na o quantum pass no sanka 3D opposite biodigester so much churches e hontete CCTV camera na for electric fencing installation car tracking system installation na programming ye between sanche ginyame ventures na kofa sanche sunkuaba Ghana had for the very first time one for be 3D opposite no if America buy ne dia ginyame ventures obi abetia besua bi say we banker and as we soldier we police and as we SHS leaver we university graduate we polytechnic graduate and as we Shatawali and as we stone boy fan muna obi abetin the near chance him despite the gunshot na mako person sunkubi na matimi esentua ginyame ventures say we akiri kwan odo wani 8 years actually mu ewo peace fm an sabetin aka omkrata bi wetin afa na afi covision 1 so amo ho ana afi joy fm oba kokoro bi fan of first street a obetimi ne penfo atwenko na ginyame ventures dwumadi amaba wo mo de tete nkrofo ewo 3D opposite mu no also de ho agim na mane 0248900502 0248900502 me pacho Kings University ewo Malam Kaswa Road ho ginyame ventures ho a okwa obetimi ne omo atwetwenko mo ne aboa emaniama etiakwe ediama maka chawde da UEFA Champions League yeah, team C actually share goals but no be anywhere was share international goals more than a MoneyGram and shares from go between Sabwa a pacho a MoneyGram neboa monya sika direct into your account a MoneyGram and a cash into your account get a money transfer straight into your account where live and direct and a medium one dance the amount receive money from UK, from Germany, from US, from Italy, from over 200 more countries and I feel yes and I feel available for picks over 2,000 locations or 18 selected banks or Ghana Hankwa. Just a matter of a minute. Na MoneyGram we see na tum see ta na akoyi na afi ni ode be no wo dia ye say matches na ade be bo say goalkeeping na ade be you ni na wo dia ene kama champions don't slack go and collect your 3 points with MoneyGram today wo mu etachire bruta MoneyGram Mr. Noah anananwada coach Robert Saki my name is Kefia Bruchiri no wo de brains coach Robert Saki spirit recovery ana me de maw na anwada in kraniche say unya akwanhye bi wa Bruchiri a na nya nkwala akwanhye na so oba de adama ohwema na say airbags no ene seat belt ne esevu na dama wona mami hu MoneyGram say ampa wotim de tuni pa account mu direct enti coach Robert Saki me da say fantastic evening enkoma ba bia ubia etelti go phone paying for the big time data bundle na ba me pacho fie nkwala bimba pim sabri yetafre enchine en send ne de city na na tie ensesan yetafre esichire send ne de city na sa na city sanso ne yetafre ewo nso ewo de ensesan da ewo kra na sentem bees ne di fertilizer kra no ne this no ewuso da ba bia da na bomodin da say data ba kwa expire ne Airtel Tigo data bundle *11# now I enjoy the data that does not expire only on Airtel Tigo oni entwetwen komwe yemwa emaniama ento ye enfama Simba Bet is a new sports betting in Accra a provider a higher odd I betia bo amaniama etian kwediama e pacho your fat range of virtual sports dice and roll and a spin to win any hu konia baby Mr. Side attraction can see a panel spin to win is answer options and also you are sure to win big money. Quickly log on to www.simbabet.com.gh na please bet no Simbabet na afoni mpemfo ntwenko ebeti ahwabwa ema niama etia to yi ma wemu any sponsors etutu to ne atwitwiri twa mo techabwa ema enanwumre so sports night medie no ye de age out in the preface of the show as usual ye beko asante mantema gudiem ensam keka adoso na afi ye ne ye mpanyifo a wo mo ewo asante mantem no enso ahwetwenko na afi ahwese na niama ebesi akọ e de afa omudwumadi a wo mo egusu edin mitino bomodian da sawo do ho betia sa jim na boa ema niama etia koyi e de ama fisa abre kode obetia send your WhatsApp comment de aba 0244 483290 0244 483290 na ode unso adwenkyere kakra tia bayenko na najman ana bright ye botila ana aba homa no so yenhwe sena niama esi eko eho no yenko emfa mugu mfama no. Okay, and some Kikampa, Yanko, Bright Yabotilla, BYT, Yamwajo Ubrini, Yanko.
Yeah, well, Major Sopa, na had the Bibiaboko, na the Tense, and a Beshafi and Afi, Yadi, a room, Wabra, and Ra, a bit bigger, say, a branch of friends, as some Mojan, big budget, at me at the Nijuma D, and I know as a Black Stars, a year play, and Edia Berry, and Yadi Obesia kind, Ediama, Ghana, Black Stars, Gimnano. Ene uru kumasene ne monten so a kona bia na nkoma obi adia ebisi o jan waye bi asamo jan an de obeye waye amagana wie nti obekọ a wonko ebisi o dabi de omo ya no nye ebisi o kwasi afia onu so wanya de na ko so o mane ba ansana watimi aye ntia na topic of the day no attend from Dr. Musapon eba be wie Refika Kabo ene kwa ana afreso refueli ala sa ne hyehyela sese asa pene ebeye stone boy but ene abrante efese sapawali ene de topic dokumasi ba bia ne importem ne asantemantam ya de asamoja ne nsensem ana no enso etimi etwa ne bi kwa ase asamoja niwa bi Ghana yebetimi akwa akwaje trophy no ama bibia so etimi akoyi na ye wa asamoja nsensem so Black Stars mu de na yensan tremfanchim ese yenhwehwemu ni ani atete ho ene se Black Stars lista ba bontino abrantia ni din ede Abdul Fatah Safiu a wo yetachimani dihye wasi akade amakro bia Kumasi Asante Korokwa nei okuta 8 goals our normalization special competition nim a ene 8 goals abrantia national Emma Premier A ha metre Northern Zone on top scorer a ene wakai abrantia first dia Charles dia Wusie Taylor ono so ewa Saudi zone obia esokuta 8 goals apiece nei topic ewa so say a man for SES no crowd sadia like as a kotokwenye 2 players ye goalkeeper Felix Anan duduana nimse Felix de kon bia so 3 goalkeepers no obeko bi ba Fatah de na akoyese ye de ni ka ho akwa kebebo about as a chance of say bi onu be wuram we Egypt Missouri asase so no e na akwa limited kakraba Asempa for ane manfo a ewo Kumasi ne mpotamo mo support kotokode ye nigye sonko kwa so kra eno mo de ma se Fatah ka ho de anase asan common ketekete bobo ba no say asamoja reasoning the decision as say meet here ba so anha no asaba betoma na ma fa asa bohu kakra se the baby jet ba sa de na ebia na abrante friend say Safiu de obe Mrs squad dim creator say ento ba no e wo say adwuma de mti abrante Abdul Fatah Safiu enso so awuramu a nei Felix Anan e de wadi Kenya call up kakra mpo Ghana ne Penny Martins ye boye ewo Accra Sports Stadium mienu no na say abrante enso eka team no bia na obia enso esusu se ne modern ni bibia no onu so da Black Stars go post no ebebo anene kotoko eko training kotoko after so many media ma bowie no na enra omo ewese ne ebo anwumre be se no me nsapa mu no omo hyase eye shake up kakra omo hwa animu se kwam bia so no omo kwa ko deliver ewo doma omo hye go order na wale wu sa ha ya ene break ye no anwumre se krapa bia free Kumasi kotoko secretariat atinya fly pa aba be piemu ankan ya fast bi wo email ba bia ne hard copy etima ko piemu ni se ewa Accra eye GF secretariat se ene club ya Kumasi Asante Korokwa 2 anniversary womo siesie ade amana no kotoko so otwaka wom na de wo minister kotoko so twaka wom sa no de na ehu be hia kotoko matcha womo enso ene eye aduana sal bebo no mpanyimfo nsensen na krobia ene Asek ni Musa Asek Abidjan enso entimi emfa match ye Sunday no enso entimi enhwim on yehu di sa che say one off game pa e wo 2-4 cup na team be from outside Ghana budamu ha say mekai a famous one be 70s Lebanese club etiemu ewo eye Ghana say Agaza aba na team a di enso so ede eye Alpha Yonega 2005 eba be bo bi de but say ya one third ebi intensi Alpha Yonega ba na 4 teams na mo boy yi mu ansa na wo timi asia kotoko enti historical match Asek so kwa no kotoko ball match aka ye pa wala eduru wa efit echina ekosi ne ya wada ni lifia da so ebre bia ubenya chance bia obetimi aba na ye ndi amanfo awuram kotoko Asek matches no so etimi aba na tete no ka nei Asek ne kotoko be boy biggest headline ewo Africa ha nyina ni wiasa fa na se nei teams mienu a omomode mo etimi so ni ye pa ene de ba ba hwim ewo Africa se nti enei empanfo ajatum agrant kotoko sampa do mo kano eye true pa omuji tum na so omo egbogu a enye ye because otumfo enso ye nyina na na nti nei omatwe games a ene be ba so premier ha se metre no din so ha nyina abada yawada nei team 3 nyina be konti kotoko be ko na kotoko wuro mu obno doma yawada na ateso Ashanti Gold so obo ase no mo ye train ani bra so pa as Gold for so kia ne ko mo so ko no ma ko so o menya hwen na isan so o menya hwen na aya kotoko lusu against Aduana na ebeboa ama team ani di ade as Gold so atiba progress awuram enti as Gold so duani chen kwanza etima kwa kopiem ewo biaya ni din enso ade kwanza ne Techiman 11 Wonders enso etimi ade ahwim ewo nti Asante class mienu no obi awuram obuna afo obi destiny enso agya nsem kotoko hia draw kotoko hia win olusu ade so hwe se na team ani din enso ade as Gold enko win ana se team friends say eye mediama enko hye brekum church so ewo takwa na abo so park eno be ma 2 Asante clubs ibako etimi qualify empokra no ye bibia tutoma anhwe kwa na 2 teams na etimi qualify say kotoko hye Aduana na okonya draw na mediama lusu to eye brekum church na as Gold kwasa away chesa kotoko ni Asante Gold mienu na free Asante mantem a enso qualify etimi ade awuram ewo semi finals nim nti eno enso ne nkomo nketenkete a enu su free Asante mantem a eventualas ubetiemu a kotoko as Gold obi ani abre na kotoko leta no so akoye no efe no agrant ensina grant kotoko ama ne ya postponed league matches ni na dia atwa ba kire ne ya wada na omu nyina enso besi akan na Asek ni Musa na kotoko match no so etimi abaso ewo kuma se babanya ras sports stadium se amature wadara ni ba kotoko 2005 wa abra kototia kante kofa ne ba kifesa na niam ko ya kotoko kofa ne ba back to kotoko 2005 to our Johnny and me or the team and the dia Asek Abidjan ba kotoko biem aba be sia kan na ofri Asek academy and o Johnny kotoko a obeka ya o bo 2 years kotoko no na 2005 okobo against Simba o Simba Kappa otimi enya Simba kan di wa to ni din say ama Simba Ture and Thomas Boachi Agema Tom Kruger and this lawyer Esquire and this dinner man this say on here sa comment in my Fox FM the only presenter otimi join that trip na o man Simba Ture is say of bench by on halu na drus Nigeria ni bi betekeka e ma kotoko timi enya sa match no draw and so e hono ma enya sa bodi Simba ono e de team and din e dey affect ba wa to kotoko nkrase kon bia so be sekotoko enso kumasa supporters no so adom so say Ture ko Kesben 2007 Kesben league no yehu de no de Kesben eye a ko be chem ni ade nyina nti kotoko fo nyina adom so ama Ture ba de a enom so be sia ne ye pa nti kotoko fo supporters eso an hwehwe ya nei omo hwe na kotoko timi ko dim kunim se kukura e beboa ama match a omo ne Asek bebo no so supporters ni nyina afi ombeba abetwasia stadium okutu na otufo so presence beba hono eswa tima mo mawo tire se match ni yedi osebo asa de Asek Abidjan Asek ni Musa enso ewo ho Wallace
we dey e bedo ase nyame adoma emse ne besa ba chire bio ne besa arela on yourself besa dia mai bio
wale me so be da ase pa parking so wa America mem wetie pa parking wetie pa na referee be dankwa watakwa wonu so wetie referee maso hands wotema danso na Apostle Patrick Gobert you SA Chapel International wotema on si tio pa na referee Bismarck apia enso ewo eye kidi a ono so say o enjoy ye pa ewo show a o ye ne Patrick Papalamu na Big Bernard amwani ani dunya na air condition specialist was it the only supporter one has they be ado tio anyumre ewo ne came enso eye Big Bernard nti ya na watia ne pa.
Okay, me da se bebre.
Okay.
Into BYT Bright Yabo Taylor and or day a tono a music for you a day nase a man enough for ya Taibuano. Inti Yebesia but quickly Ebekum Nafiani Honorable Ales Kufi Ejekum Parliamentary Select Committee Youth and Culture Omni Dimakotene Eshabwamanyama Etin Akwe Honorable and Edanuni Osa a committee so Honorable Yamajo
Major so many
about to be able to
Onyamia dom bibia boko.
Okay, as you can't but I think adwuma ba na.
Your constituency cry your call round.
Okay. Okay, wait quickly. James Akwesi apia ene baby jet asamoja issue here nam so man ne asamoja tintim ne sem de gun krata so 10 time to ndo afo tegari ontimi ntoa subio se blasters player echi kwa resign on dwumadi a odi mu no abedu manim na de na moya fa.
Oh, yen so mami kia wati fo na so de waka no anu no enro ahibre na yen so sa news yete me so de make me work constituency but me tia seven na kwa surprise kakra man we are not really to someone apostle between the coach and the captain me last time me hu sam grofo me no de dey ayo asamojan na coach Kwesi apia at Transport Stadium. Yeah, Boafcon, the last match, Omono VIP or Omoti Menu Pay. Now, Sheffield, almost is we can win away castle, 7 years to Omoti Minato. And since that time, on the Betia, the APP by names and somewhere who walk more, Binusumu, Seminary, when I go somewhere, Cap on the Bepania, to me, no, the American can say, whatever it takes, coach, and I walk. To be fair, or any final selection. Now, so they are a captain, they are a captain. There, sometime here you me. I think that the timing of the whole thing was totally wrong. But that is my first view. Say, one more the captain, the Bema will be Emanaba be you. The Apostle be about to do something. I felt to say, to me, number two. Say football, you say, mathematics, not psychology, a play part. And then the psychological part of the whole team, and you're taking into consideration. And I'm there, Ghana buying a boca, the supporters union, and go for a 2 point, the woman on a coach your team up. Now, that year up paying, and there's some more giant was. And now only 4. Now acquire ya faswa. Captain Sam Nayem Fanem Kopi na yesi yajani. Inti ya ye besides them when I'm football people. As soon the psychological effect biya. And in future kura one kayu. Onya effect biya with team minimum. That's the first question. I mean, I am concerned. The second thing is that so at time here you will be akabe less than 1 month. That is the time a coach unya to die. Utima was selected. What not say? Now fine tuning of all your tactical plans. No, Bibia, you say Bian to Piano. That time in the news conference, near Frony, Bizarre, near Odina, the entire Grofua, a dear of football by one more quality count, dear, to me personally and the committee feels there. Whatever angle that we look at it, you to me, I discuss it. Top performance. One you say now, you say now. You know, you say I no correct coach here. On our final say on your selection. But as to this particular issue of a Samoan yem fanim kopi na yem man captain there, I feel say the basu sa franca. I say basu da. Be a boy up on last match. No, like you true bibisa. Me ya yema ehwati. Yam say. A more man who say, oh, Sadia, why yama mine? Excuse me, you do who that's here. Say, you need so what the small mine, what bobola mine. But baby, every day, You don't prepare so you might be no so fine, maybe take over, just like also take you over. It could have been the last match Afcon match because near qualify we. And they are yes symbolic. What the knock to you are so there. I'm on you know. Oh, they are pulling off. They are bought to fefe. Now abu toye muapa. And as I click only way I to me and try.
Okay. Honorable ni enya ntia se Ghana mampanyi asoma se asamoja entwa ticket na ntempa so nke bia ene ko bedua na omohwen kasa asem no emu no kwene sen.
Ni masina asem say that and pay me o ye share me I am kasa. Because so dey papa akoma sinta football na sika obi akosim. Edu pepe zobia budget bia mo say me ye me metua bon panko. Me ya so sisi and wife afcon ye kwati cap ngba. Na ye yu bia che ye mfupi no. Na the expectations of the TPN or TISAS to be under. Na obefre. And say, Yatina themselves were two staff. I'm not surprised because we say, I want to see my body. Then come for. See, a be a bear no credit. Now, on the Casa, make the American one and say, you may, and I told to be up for so 7 a donkey to a rubber. Right. But so ben no musu ne de wutumi enforce na mfa ne tiri musu ne ze onno e bia na samoja de waka ne bia opan panyin na no to mu a obekene say ye e ti onko da baby tin e bi so a obeka say me mbobie ma me de the method a point timing ye de aye sadi and I'm free say and no I all that constitution I mean coach me technical man about me aka say asamoja over form and now on the form me this but whatever we look at it whether over form or on the form side particular issue general manager then general captain was then something and can say for a long time yeah van ko sheku ko mu ma aka kiri si na e won so yo we apem wana and no crack with center stage that time here ye build a team ye feel a coach we nya laje a steady will be in position or what's your opponent almost style of play away now we advise some technical team no more I feel the team so the public court of opinion and then me and we're gonna and why
okay honorable say parliamentary select committee munya trans cry was asking me
and I'm saying run as anybody it's an unfolding story I feel run committee members no ya to platform as to but we no nyadia being sisi will be because you have tun south class and we join the tun south the tun south for bia start time here we in your committee be share committee bia we behind sen ye near funny kasa se beba se o me bibi o mu a me na me ma knowledge bi e kire se ya dan fu bi kraman bi o kraman no ntumi nka na si se tutu se na wo hwe the structure but dominic gina ho ya ze nipa the same principle psychologically any educal football mu opinity na ubeti team no mu aba sanya man you so wan ne Muhammad Salah ayi ma o mo ba nyina e bi kura o mo ba fo ya ye mo bo hwe but dinu a that team no mu say na ho na e o mba no ko see opponent bia send some shivering to you coach no ba be shia no what is that me a woman no game plan bia no or include you in the game plan. Yeah, Samojan is a very dangerous man. You 3 people handle him. Now 3 people can handle him. Other places also now what to see you. That's and yes, psychologically, coaches will be a use. If you encounter any kind of top form, what the boy 23 spot? No, then and one man is playing field at time. And every time they are match, you push them all for 10 minutes. The man you do baby, you acquire we have a final. Oh, first half now, about if we are not couple 10 minutes over there, they have somewhere some one captain with your last match. Oh, we near channel. Who fulfilled one some way or last match with a black star. I say, come now, yeah, Nige. No, soon, take okay. We are by now for another kodo. Now you see, asa. We phone sana wa deal.
Honorable, anya bia kwasi apia squad o de buy no. moye preview to it munya bi hwe
ya Debbie sa enu de jaima wo because of them kind no me technical man and the committee no so no yen ne conservative players no bia and they dey lima manage the technical team no come handle that and they man is there but ya we no betumi akọ cap na mayen dey na dem pa street na dia akoba ma bia ka bi and then that decision in some one dia kopa ya yen Ghana for winning committee members what has been the undercurrent. And some of the boy, I don't think that no, sorry, I'm not going to crack that into and never be up also underground. And you, women, I make the last time I'm meeting who's uncle. Almost me and saying, coach, the day are you, and some guy, and up on your last match. And as soon as he and your born on your need general, or moving away from where you were in. You know, and it's what when I'm the idea. And any idea the kakra because I say impromptu isa and only idea I am concerned that I'm not saying that chimchians and I don't think that that's what they are saying. They are saying that sadly we just 24 hours ago. This is a plan yeah man ko ye be manako yeah man ye captain ye be see at then man for tradition yamba ma yendi an kan ho ansem ama bukriya meba na last minute wi nam kwa baba adan
okay honorable orene ekoso ya eni so ade hu se Ghana e pese kwagi kruwa no ore astala betia baso
well in America football there apart from the tactical nema ye technical no there is a psychological aspect so obi onim ball for me anya na kutu park wona supporters ni ekuru ni ye say ni ye motivate you and when no amba no the American say ka na the baba the besia na sie ne dia and the only thing I say of the playing team and put everything behind as Asamoah I believe the nipa ne kasa ya utie na ewu no na niam bi o ha na ye tutu you but nipa uya ade na ne shi nipa fa akoma pa amfa anya ade a you will not believe it. I don't want to venture into the area of metaphysics. There are certain things that I assume with them that you'll be a what Shem come say the day you near some wajina a Peter Cap no now the day some wajan from money the day you cap no a big drama no wines that James Bamba his answers will get to challenge and ABCD 1+1 what me aka say be 2 and it into me but the year can you see so obi man 1 Ghana city on one the chow say the 1 Ghana city a different from what could be 1 Ghana city. You know the same value 1 Ghana, but the chrono or the akomapa and the amount. The other one I would do pay and what factory to be a cook in dying akuvia. And you pay. So in the same way, no, when cafe Papano and Fatase, your veggie captain, not a friend in them, but a quanya a bit faso, none the I think that they are psychologically because and an individual one in Kaye or what company, same proposal or almost a role model. Team now was some supporters among them. So how would they feel?
Honorable
and then inform working now, yeah, Banny, the SC, you'll be able to go for soon. Say, you can't if you're my preliminary at the car or the boo at the cook at back. I don't know how it's going to work out, whether or my preliminary. I don't know how it's going to work. May one of the amendment could be, but the I can say the whole time you know the and yet Kabibinia fine. What your crown uncle non-co 23 and living to go to bench I am mobile and Yaba. And so uncle now would you be on the field of play. Nimpana a Jinamo coach in what selecting or not. So Samoa in my bound with the captain band will be on somebody. And then they won't find those people everybody waiting near dinner on Kobe Gra now the enfield no. On more batch no matches now by 1 or 2 3 crucial one being about them on one soon who could go in that I'm in the enemy and grab it to me. We are fucking this so Ghana for could do final. We have 1 champ for 3-0. areas you near the Asamonia, Kakabia upon our Bashim, you view, nay, commentary in the last match, I open you in some way near the film or Corritan and there, where you the captain by not their shoe. And then near the eye, and then it's the airway and who politics and Siena soon seminar the African with your mother. I am African.
Oh, no, what Madame, I said, Susuma 70, one should analyze in ye, and
And I said, yes, Susan, something between them, going to we're going to hire a 1,000 Your question comes there. Sabi, the day you know the cap in the Beba. And we made the animal to me, and I made the animal to me, Aquaco at the Aquato.
Aha, and to me challenge, you know, a basis are United James Aquasia Pia Genaswa, what the age captains Amber Nefia Samaja and Semino. I think that we must take a critical look at it, and go deeper into it, near basis no su ye kakra. As a moja in Kruma, and it is one in the dam for Castro could I my business. In Tis and Nemesiaco, or Adrian Quachi or Sanema now.
But I want to be a better part of that as I saw. Management be a better assassin. The better can't be making money. But yeah, can be able to say, soon said, you're going to you, a fire, your password. You be at one, your money, and could be. Young people say, prophet of the you say, one plan I shall sound. And come say, yes, sir, you will fire. Yes, what you panosono. Who say you will come to be a yashafa, but in a more civil way. To me, I am a nipano. The Yemen, Uncle Brother, Sadi, yeah, see, a copy a yashama. We are here at the Beto National. Okay, they will open the roof there. Who's any people say, internet. I mean, you're actually for football, and never do over. No man, yes, sir. You be another, you're couple for young, you never be a fatani, you way behind the scene. And I make us me, your coach here. Sadly, me Peter Power. Then I'm a survey players at any particular day, your match day, I'm the players. Mati and the Matico, so, yeah, captain. Captain. It didn't that was a captain. But on the field of play, on the band, I will be 80. And swear. And so be able to be a catch them there. I don't want to go to last afternoon, Obobi. I don't know you could to what a little lady. So like I said, I want to the alphabet on Cocoba. Yeah, what's your parcel? And then you retire with no better than 5 minutes, 10 minutes. We are prayer upon the room. And some way a mouse on the ovation. On country and say, no, I'm a man of penalty. Yamana boy. So I'm empty on one to me say, Susumun Seminole, man, Diana Mamia catch them one summer, Sebi, Yami Efreno, or see, I will follow it. Which means the guy in Alam, he accepts some of these spiritual aspects of everything. Mamia Casas and Jimmy Bobby, one bosso. It is a and conscious work as ye who room here. Diasham command will be a bee. So almost work a cassette captain. A brand dear by Queen at the Baba. And as a Mojan in Zakusu. Okay, you know, the Baba, Uncle the captain on everything. Now, say, your country was the one of your captain, and they are owned me Bamba. There are so many ways in dealing with this. Without, causing the hula baloo we are abbey. Okay.
Honorable budget not send them approval.
Mpacho, Sadia, or Madra for the minister, no. And because on there is a clear distinction, parliament and the executive. Minister, no, that ministry, no. On a call campaign who Sikabia campaigning from me, Alex Kofia, chairman of the select committee in parliament, on country, but over country minister. Okay. Budget in the final one, I have the executive name. Now, executive is normal rep, I was sports or any honorable as a Kasiama. Into whom or Anani Piero, Anani deputy, or Mobile with that figure. Who was there? Yes, you got a decode.
Okay. who was the chairman of the select committee no udi unim omon kan kire ye
nim kura me en kan kire me
na umi science
o dabi nzanse we amu ndema bi o ba yen need as one say there is a sector minister is dealing with all this and ultimately this thing be better yen afi yen abeta yen ni fa ena yen ba kwa ko bisam say a dean will spend this article we say yen na we are say that's what we do but as you say yen bypass the minister akọ man premier so ye akọ finance work because it doesn't fall within us. Then we will find out how that money was utilized. Was it utilized according to what was laid down? That may not be any difficult questions.
Okay. Honorable Alex Kofi Ejekum, Chairman for the Parliamentary Select Committee on Youth, Sports and Culture. That's say Ambrose Kwanso, you may watch a penny at Trinkumo.
Miasunu damazipa diabe na mmoa na adwubrɛw the dust she settle di na yemfa to ne akomakro paipo yemfa nta yeti na yenze bibia no wa enso yame
okay
na kap no yentumi emfa to sanko jemfamra
okay that's it. Inti honorable nso dia wodi aba no honorable Alex Kofi Ejekum also constituency Western Region or chairman of the Parliamentary Select Committee on Youth, Sports and Culture, and I'll tell the council and nation say budget. We know who be and which you some case and so by no. Say Ghana, I dear no Parliamentary Select Committee. Briefly, Michael, tell me what your novel.
I think the information now on my on issues no and shut and clear. Now most of the information now or about issues no you see say only personal view and as any personal opinion now all share on issues you go see say touching on spiritual issues but and shall I need a clearer picture of what spiritually or per se or send it to your listeners having so some of the technical issues now all dealing with so and shall I get clear into basically or touching on any personal issue and a personal view on issue about concerning the captaincy between coach the decision on Asempa being the captain for the AFCON 2019 and the basically about on one opinion but I think say government involvement in the issue nangasangasa on me my the clearer picture of government involvement in the issue. I think say maybe subsequently if a proper communique from the Ministry of Sports and from the minister himself say my the clearer picture of how minister and I said the ministry and I said the government of the day take that issue away in the bit of information from the ministerial level and I say from the parliamentary level I go into details say proper people are more into and I say proper people are more the proper information to give to us on the Asempa captaincy issue just 29 days towards AFCON.
Okay, I still Asempa 94.7 FM so no so no ye be san ko movie but quickly making come for messages kakra wo mo e dey abejan after this interview we say pastors now determine who become the Black Stars captain. This is a clear case of Ace, a salam down insane syndrome. And no friend say is with Uncle Michael and also the way Abijaku de Ewahan. We say good evening, Wale. The honorable member Jakum has spoken to we need a address of his stature in Parliament. I wish him well. If George, so too. George, when he come. Prof, why are people trying to influence Kwesiapia? Is his job and his decision regardless of the consequences. It boils down to him. Politicians should mind their business while we enjoy our game. Dominic Akwesi from University of Oostenbrück, Dutchland. Anna Odiwe Eba NT. Dominic also message no. Obidiaba say, hi Prof. Samir J is now happy man because he have been vindicated for accusing the occult man Olele for killing his career. Israel been a Ghana and also the way Abba. I see, Kwesi Apia, why are you putting pressure to yourself in this ongoing African Cup of Nations? How? I say, how this are going? I know Kwesi Apia will resign. DJ Asari soon, and all the way Abba. Banana Diaba say his letter of resignation can be turned down. The tone of the letter is conditional. he said if the captaincy will be given to another player whilst he's named in the team for the tournament, then he will recuse himself, which means he's not happy the captaincy is being given to another player whilst he's also part of the team. Banana Danubian another way by Banana apart from say or say your best friend no also in retirement and so let you know two if no and also was announce was regional Sakunya so the announcement retirement from national activities no crown ma bi ukra to kwa oko wale the head of the parliamentary select committee is not on top of issues at all. What is he talking about? Jojo quota. I'm saying Kabwa quota. I know the way by Jojo. You really listen to the interview. Jojo, I'm saying interview no pa. Why are they? Tona we discuss the interview nangasa because OT baby said he's not on top of issues. Also on the constituency. Tiena Adrian na Odeba. You once discussed spiritualities in sports some time back. It is true reflection of what we find ourselves in now. And yes, we will be about funny D and come say ampa when we say discussing spirituality. A Ghana a good year, but I'm some of I'm funny serious, but only funny serious. Please let Ghanaians know that Cameroon left all their senior players and they went ahead to win the cup. So if the coach decided to leave Asamoah home to see, I see no problem, and the coach decide to take the captain to another player and he decide not to play, the coach should leave him from Owen Achimota and Owen and so the Abidja could ever Obi say prof coach of the Blasters don't have a good timing. This is not a good time for this story. And then Sema Obi so Eddie Abidja Fanny Din Ama or say talking from Italy Moderna Felix Apia alias Olua, greetings to my son Kofi Inti in Achim Oda Nkwantin. Say greetings and the buyer. So good work, Wallace. I want to okay. Check your message ni kaka. Why? My made you maybe oh go see apia. Why? Or say friend I'm Lazio from Mankazim and I also do it a buy. I say prof, I'm listening to the show, please. How much will I pay for airtime on your show to talk about the message I sent you about Coach Apia? George Mafu, I know the way by George. Can I service or home? Why? Bro, why does Bratella like greeting referees like that? Great show. Greetings to my wife, Bridget Ohene from Ohene inside Silicon University, Silicon Village. I know they are about say right here. What tell her? Referees chair. Also, I didn't know how you chair, sir. I say good evening, the best sports presenter in Ghana, Prof. Wallace. So now Nana Akufo-Addo is Blasters coach. God bless Akwesi Nyantechi. Mensa Victor from Accra Newtown and Mensa Sudui Abidjan. I say I'm appealing to all Ghanaians to put all the difference behind and give our support to Kwesi Appiah to bring the cup home. Sechiado, Kaswa CP, Roma, and also the way Abidjan. I say Roma. I say Kwesi Appiah to the cup in the bounce of the man for Sobeka. The man for Becca. More issues in you, I say spiritual issues. We so the message number about identity. Message be bring na aba. I say, hey, Wallace, why now Asamoah is bigger than Blasters, and now Blasters have become a spiritual team than let's take Reverend Obofo as head coach and Angel Obinim as assistant. And again, why Nanado is involving himself into this matter. Shia Enoch from McCarthy Hill, Anna Enoch, and so Editria Abakasa. Shia no benya problem pay. Hi Prof, if you are a government and you take politics into professional games, this is the resource. Michael Awesu na Michael also do we aba. Michael do we buy no. Esa ko mu bi no. And obi so e dey aba ha. Say what has Asamoah won for the nation before? Scoring 7 goals in 8 AFCON 2B achievements. The day Ayo can boast himself with under 20 World Cup. Asamoah should give us a break. cry. Auntie, I say Auntie Azumi Provision Store. Achim Kedis Subi Eastern Region. Another message if you ever. Prof, good evening to you and your sports night team. Prof, I'll be very happy if Baby Jet himself come out to clear the mind of Ghanaians about the conversation between him and Coach Kwesi Appiah. But Kwesi Appiah will resign and come out with 10,000 flyers. Note, let's wait to see a week after AFCON. Bishop K. Oredu, Kwabi District, Achim Prankese from PSOD. Castek 2016 or the message we and so ebijame ewa hanom yenkwa manoni to krom briefly na yenwese na yema AC echo ewa manoni to krom nti ifriwa na afi nkoma aka wache no yasan edi aba ewa ha ti mahu say solo Captain Smart personal person say Wallace, I'm listening to your show live at Ablekuma Joma, big ups to you and your panelists. Greetings to Kotokrua's team manager Linford Bodu Asamoah aka Akwashu and all the way Abba. Oh, solo contribution towards the program here and greetings. Let's go off the issue. Don't we have anything? Is that what will bring the cap? Obi say tria za kwa no so e dey abeka ho. Madam for Freddy Coffin say greetings. You need to give us info about there's no info anywhere. Ne ho na ne dey ma no. Nti nkoma aba no. Obi say okay. Nti yen kwa ma no to krom na fe hwese na nkoma.
It's time for foreign tidbits. Some news from the world, foreign tidbits. Authentic news, foreign tidbits. Very, very latest foreign tidbits.
Okay, into authentic news, foreign tidbits, very latest one. And yeah, the ebro no. Shanos mama say we any stories in diet analysis of the story and yeah digest no. I dichotomizing the world and they presented the amount here. Friend, I'm on to krum. Into right to krum na fe in soma hudu BP mu. E dey fia man no. Ye di ejao. Shanos mama say wasun to kru in takra roma. Unu numa de wanu to kru de aduane tum na se takra suma na de but yesi nima to krum. Unim na kudi ro for ambabu bruta. Into yenko amano to krum na ofamro. Yenko
right. The various leagues are Europe in Abane, and I say they are almost coming to an end. Because Uko Italy, Uko other countries, and so more about I think say on the last matches now it's mobile. But this summer, and I say after the league break, no, and yeah, break I be down. But we will see a lot of tournaments. Uko to Poland, we will say under 20 World Cup. Now under 20 and I said the underage games games we see the future generations in football and I say we see the future stars make your name in 2-3 years to come. Now we come back into under 20 history we've seen a lot of players using the under 20 World Cup as a stepping stone to brighten the future and I said to lighten on my career. Now you've seen the likes of Lionel Messi, so we use it under 20 as a platform. If you've seen Saviola, so we use it under 20 as a platform. We've seen players like let's say Ander Herrera of 2009, not can Spain squad no. We've seen players like Paul Pogba 2013, not can France squad no the World Cup in Turkey. You seen Samuel Umtiti or also Kasa squad no, but back to 2009 Andre Ayew SIG the World Cup Ghana and also how you see the platform as a stepping stone and Sana FN the 2010 AFCON tournament no and also a preview in the world. You seen players like Oliver Torres of FC Porto and so Obama for Obo Eddie Amade FC Porto senior national team. We've seen players like Jesse Rodriguez also used to the tournament as a platform. Into these are some of the tournament players you see and as a young players used to as a platform. Not forgetting of Dominic Solanke, formerly of Chelsea, formerly of Liverpool, now at Bournemouth. Almost the golden boot and I said the golden ball award in the under 20 tournament. The under 20 tournament Basu in 2000 and I say May 23rd. This month I will say under 20 Kosu in Poland under 23 and I say under 20 game Basu in 20th May, and that's the 23rd May in this month. These are some of the tournaments I say among for us football fans and looking up to 23rd May and a 20 World Cup S30 and other endings. We won't say Copa America and not only African Cup so but Copa America a year solely for the Southern and I say South American teams. Now who call South America federation and I say head a guy South American football CONMEBOL. Now CONMEBOL so it was just 10 nations representing the CONMEBOL and as forming the CONMEBOL federation. Now who call into tournament bono instead not my and I say membership 10 extra into to me organize a proper competition with that number. And most at times that invitations to other countries. They said the Northern American part of the world, say USA, and as the United States of America, Venezuela, Mexico, say almost party now a proper tournament. But this time, I invite the finalists of the Asia Trophy. Qatar and Japan say the 10 teams are for me the CONMEBOL and I say who make up the CONMEBOL Federation. Now 12 team. Say the the 46th edition of the Copa America. Also in Brazil. 6 venues and I say 6 cities. The host that tournament and if you go into in some and as the issues are developing, you see Brazil as a host nation and I say as a host nation say squad. The likes of Lucas Moura, the likes of Fabinho, drop him from the squad. Causing a lot of attention and as I raise a lot of highbrows in the city of Brazil. As I will say, near Argentina, and squad, say Messi, you'll be part of the squad. Say they will seek redemption, and I said they will seek revenge from the last 2 editions of the Copa America. Say Argentina, Air Cup finals in 2015. Chile, at the time Chile hosted that tournament. Yes, I bought the centenarian the following season in 2016. That tournament you're hosting in America, United States of America, and also Chile defending that title all against Argentina. Into Argentina going to this year's tournament, and as they're going to this year's Copa America tournament in Brazil, they want to go and win the tournament. Hack rival Fie into Messi, you be part of the squad, and at this time Messi very and I say into the twilight of the career at age 31, but still over the top form. We will see Messi say or replicating the top form, not only for Barca, but or replicating the top form also for the Argentina national team. Remember I say Messi as a footballer, wajibi biya man mine, and I say wajibi biya man the club, but in my I one head of biya, and I say one challenge biya I say or break it through so that people will regard him as one of the best, because you can't about the compatriots. I hear Cristiano Ronaldo say a lot of trophies with the club and also winning the Euro 2016 for the club, Ondo and Bobby, but he was the captain of the tournament, or missing only the final game, but the contribution towards winning the cup was instrumental. Now Copa America, you about the 2019 in Brazil, you were just 3 groups. Now you were 12 teams that are more participating. We have 10 teams from the CONMEBOL Federation, and I have 2 teams I invite you. Now the 2 teams I invite you are Japan, any Qatar, Asian tournament, so they were the finalists. Now the 10 teams are forming the CONMEBOL, Brazil, it was Peru, it was Venezuela, it was Bolivia. These are 4 teams are representative of the CONMEBOL Association. It's our Uruguay. We are the most successful team in Copa America history. Imagine 15 times. And Brazil, and I said Brazil, we are the most successful team in CONMEBOL history. Uruguay, there's Argentina, and so Uruguay, Chile. SR from the CONMEBOL Federation. Now Chile, Omaji twice Copa America, Omaji in 2015, 2016 consecutively, and I say successfully. Yes, our Paraguay say Omuba from the CONMEBOL Association. Uko Group C, you Argentina. Yes, our Colombia. Yes, our Ecuador. So these are some of the CONMEBOL teams are Omuba, and I said these are the teams they make up the CONMEBOL Association. And in Group A, Mamimbo the group, and I say remember the members are making the Group A. You have Brazil as the host nation, you have Peru, you have Venezuela and Bolivia. I will make up the Group A. In Group B, we have Uruguay, we have Chile, Paraguay, and Qatar. I will make it the Group B. In Group C, you have Argentina, you have Colombia, you have Japan, and so you have Ecuador. Into these are the teams that are making up the group. from group stages, some bomb with 3 matches say we are the first 2 teams will qualify. After no matter the 2 best 3rd place team in na Kamuma ebe 8. Into from there they go straight into quarterfinals. Yeah, in round of 16 they go straight into quarterfinals. No more ball. Into these are some of the issues are eba sa tournament and I said the Copa America ever started on the 14th of June. Whilst AFCON so started on the 21st of June. Into any AFCON pet na yewo yes the Copa America started on the 14th of June. The 46th edition. AFCON so started 21st of June. The 32nd edition of the AFCON. Into prof, these are some of the stories surrounding the Copa America. On transfer issues, Chelsea officially and I say Omar unveil Christian Pulisic as a player where Kaya January no signing no, but only loaning Dortmund back into this summer. I want to say Christian Pulisic for Chelsea. Now signing for £58 million. And these are the investment as a club. We are bringing a lot of returns. Christian Pulisic, the golden boy of US, and I say soccer in US. He also got into US sports history. Football, and I say soccer. I'm afraid and one of sports the sports are managing the likes of the NFL, the basketball bringing a lot of revenue to them. Who got into sporting history, we are more a lot of sports. They say we are golf, Tiger Woods. For some time ago, now you're poster boy in terms of sports, but soccer. Through the MLS league, they are trying to introduce that into the American population. So accept soccer for as part of sporting discipline. Into Chelsea, signing Christian Pulisic from United States of America, ever open a lot of sponsorship opportunities at the moment, because in the preseason tournament, the big teams in America. They go there to play preseason tournament. In the Chelsea going there with poster boy Christian Pulisic, attracting a lot of sponsorship for Chelsea. And also, Chelsea is being sponsored by Nike, and Nike brand America. And that partnership will work very well for Chelsea. Small on Amonito Chrome stories.
Okay, Amonito Chrome, Anna Iremono.
It's time for foreign.
Okay, quickly, me san kwa mano so na yene Mr. Obin, Papa Maestro, and I guess no do na bone samane feno no. Aye adwuma multimedia ha. Deputy sports host morning show no so and afen so kwa no sign in charge of other matters Asamoah baby jet Asamoah and other projects, so but on the sign Kasama for direct at the MNCC when I catch you baby nti fin adwuma ba wo ba beye yen the latest on baby jet Asamoah nti ese Ghana man panyin se unya the nearest available flight on famna na omne nkasa emisa master akwezi sen nkra bi chesa se omne na kasama is Asamoah aboni tinko ni ade yen from the authenticated source. Master Bia Bokode.
Prof, good evening. Me hoye now say.
Boko. Mr. Obin office one.
Fantastic. Me your office never my lamino.
Oh, okay. What is the latest on issues starting say PPM na odi munchichi mu eja Ghana for inyanete yese Ghana mampanyin se bibie temra ema yese jam obedu kura bi so nam kwan so ebi kura so madi nkomo no kura wi ama chese what is the latest?
Well, I said, Mamincha were here for. I think that now we are near the report. His Excellency, the first gentleman of the land, sent one of the greatest invitations to Black Stars skipper, Senkebeya and Comra. But earlier, now American hint is Black Stars skipper. I mean, the weekend they are born the final match at the Amana Club. And to share invitation, said it's na very difficult for him to obey Nyapa na wasan akwa akobo in the club no, but make me confirm ya tell say and come with we akoso Black Stars captain then had the opportunity to speak with the president of the land when penifo bibiri akasa fi the Black Stars was appropriate dia mebobodin, but I can confirm to you on authority say before or no better touch it down to Ghana akwa no, a lot of discussions akoso I confirm that the first gentleman of the land, Etimene Black Stars keeper, Etimene Nkomo.
It's a Black Stars keeper, and your neighbor said, "Oh, Mobio, no, say after said the first gentleman of the land, I think Mono, and Sakraba on a dream, Chira or the buying him."
Well, as I speak with you, I mean, the official position has not changed. Discussion on course, so and I say a course on the some of them you're very much disclosed to the two of them, and then no mere matter. So that, but from our official source, I am sure Ochina and Abichi, there could be another community out from the Baby Jet Foundation, and I say the group. But I'm coming in, I confirm maybe by close of the year, Ochina. Now the president and the 24 flag staff, and there are some more than things coming on. Hey, no me Akobem Kumo, no man for Bakwa. It is giving everything I require very common goal. As I stand here now, official position from Baby Jet in the position of the Jan until Ochina and then at the chair or in Penny, being common crano, Ama Edia Kata Baku, the Pia Kahono position at the time.
Okay. Internet Baby Jet, Mampany, Esmami, a friend, I'm about now, some Casa Funso.
To tell them a shot, Menoka say what I will take or prepare for their final game. And the Omokasa or telephone, so I wouldn't go a Ghana Hormone. Now, many sure this and now because of the final game, they are appropriate. They're originally about Ansan Wakwako and Nandi Kim. Make sure they're linking and inform me the decision to be also Olympic for Casa our telephone.
Okay. Enti as I say, munya finalize no, munya options say be am say Baby Jet Samoja say o ka say we fit team nim na Blasters kwa no according to Molete no na say wasan retire kra de fi national assignment nso mu kra ene o kan krata no nso ma mo san che say asamabo pen there was a time Baby Jet Samoja no ka say twa ticket e de ma Blaster place na the dem FA president question te chi mu ne ministers akese na te sa flight mu bi say eska no ana ban ebe patano waje kakra na se send the city
Baby Jet Samojan in all the times was serving the country in the capacity as a player and in the capacity as the skipper of the side now. There are other couple of engagement away commitment away the about a team match. And maybe I didn't understand for cry a player. Maybe I said in Konokrano or Mekawa Mobiante. Or any player or ya or ye feelings have been come on in any campo. Well, as me to confirm the tell the DNA Horma yes sort of a refund and as a material things and as a commitment by the other a year and after the abortion no and other in any of the discussions may class and pen for any Nanyano. The borderline on a decision or yes or can be free the national team no retire no. Yeah, sure, say Hopper and pen for anything Koma. And common in the area was not benefit here a bopa Carter, the Pino, the official communicate from the Baby Jet camp. And just of now, dear, who are sending this in the original until so and common in a Pobono ever.
Okay, internet say, and common yes, say, or best an
well, I make us and common the entirety and common in our entry. But making a hint, the lieutenant Babu and a communicating Babu and home Comoyadia, and also a bar in their discussion. Meaning the position of a young penny for almost 23 a year about and common woman, and the take it away out of the boat. The other chain and 24 now, before or China. So, mobile he will be a free Mudiano, officially an official position, and so I'm not going to put in anything.
Okay. Okay, nti asamoja yemfa ne se from wo ne yenwumre no o ma krum ha e enkomotwetwe no ne Ghana mampanyi atwetwe keke ana omohwe ni so mbepe san koma ba yi na ne puma sibre
meti ma concern dey ma say me no ka say abanche ne twitwe ni kraba e na se danche enti oni krum haramo enkoma ene akoso wo telephone so ana se telephone so a oni penifo enyai enkomotwetwe.
Okay. Now, weekend you born the last game, you obenya the right frame of mind at the abo game, no, looking at the issues surrounding now, no.
Well, it's a very difficult question, but I think as a modern as a player, any the mental fortitude for these years our service as the captain and as a player, I would think no more. I mean, your guess is as good as mine. 2008 AFCON or Yukuma, a lot of bashing on him and a couple of times. What he can say, whatever takes time. Then you should say issue is to be a disorganized in the body frame and in the body language when as a professional player like him or a big game or and especially at this point when I'm penning from a bank team and in a Qatar. And no Kurano, everything I bring a lot of stability. We are no because while I thought you are on media, Oba Bonte Kata, now Unya say the first gentleman of the land, Unyam penning for our Flagstaff house, no more F-flow, a chua geneba to say, Yamon Common, at the end of Koswa, this is a study in Nipa, and a support outside war, a Yokum Harman. If said, we're focused, we're prepared to play, and the last time I near any education command on no him to say, I shall be true Ghana, I know assign in Tiki Tali and Sanoba. So, as a professional player, I feel now he's focused than ever and he's concentrating on the game and on the discussion of him for a year. And I say, yeah, me hope it's by close of a channel. No, my conclude now, see the official communique from the camp on say idea about one thing.
Okay. Well, the master, take the cap of the PR no aside. Now, bra, or professional element mu as a media guy. Now, share situation no like any other player. Na ne Ghana man pinyaton sadia friend after say coach or in charge. HS decision ye. Is it not interference in some way? Where's the city?
Well, interference in the state of a FIFA, you know. Yes, the powers so be, the direct intervention to, I mean, if you like, say the management of the association. If Article 15 and 14, every match the government interference will take a total control over the association, but not a team like maybe under 17 team or under 20 team. I don't think earlier. The Black Stars Management Committee about government NIS appointees, in AI interference. FIFA clearly stated one article we say and the some team media, then it doesn't go to the point of being interference. But then Umubi taking the superior power and the superior role over the association there, and then the interference. And this one, while I see friends say interference because this is not the first time in the history of our country. This year kind of issue. Say a president, or not a certain president, say I want to see the other side of the story. What they are saying, president here in position, so and I will change any decision for a particular earlier decision. You all can say and some now say about Ghana for sure a lot of interest. Obviously, we see the other side of the coin. That is all. The new fear, very would be manti. But I certainly do now, also you should penny and no now, so they are quiet the first one. Get the and the paper the bank. If it's an amono, I was a Ghana for you now, so now you commended the president of the land. As I was saying, 37 president, well, moon and near so. And I'm saying, you say, the president and Trinity, any company for Ankasa, maybe nobody agree. And the end didn't conclude the way interference. Minimum, it be a penny, and I have a swift move to get close to the idea to get a team. I prepare. Remember, it is 8 million actually they call it fund. In 1 year, at a time, and my taxpayers' money at this similar and continue because of just disunity. And I said, just a statement that it be ordinary to my ideas to get about. And to me, mainstream friend interference, but this is a very careful call. A step in the right direction, and then 24 what the flags about I mobile assassin, everything legitimate.
Okay. Ooh, Jamie Quenam say, hey, and as a crewman, Tawantawana does so crewman Panamua.
Football Mudia another day, okay.
Oh, crewman Tawantawa de Sebebri, and
football Mudia Minimpa.
Okay. In Tawantawa, that question the Chini and Nas in Tem, no racking in Japan and Hobejima, Ness and Tawantano Edoson, Obama, and Mexico Patapa, the challenge on Obia Nua, between the compare no crewman still go, Oqua, Asofo and Tema, Obinimi or Bofo, no soon come out, wine more spiritual, El crewman, no so, Oba telenovela, Adum TV, UTV, when a day a tree telenovela about a cruma no tawantawa honum a capin polo any a fish snagger almost a fighting when over west dress person no the media ugusu di menu so komo and I feel could can send away on any coffee menu a kwakubenu almost so tawantawa no edaho nananka sakra ne mahama no so komo e kakra ho and I feel so cross stone bonnet tawali just recently and no so komo e ho na baby just samoja any day you dey and so abepe so e was nyama esia cause then che won hweka me no so benya bia na
well I think that where the interestingly tikaka ho taxpayers money dey true 8 million dey true tawali stone boy and you say budget dia dia mama telenovela as of all the any budget dia state of the nation address dia anywhere come home Ghana ticket dey true Ghana will interest and the presidency has shared the interest ewo eyekwa afkonimu and the national campaign for that trawaya ahwan the $8 million Ghana ticket na basa em yakoti tikenegwa it is in the right direction campaign for the two woman idea thing na yan push at our stoneball contest in and to baby and no any national interest what you say criminal to be IBD and never said law and they taking a course it takes its own course I mean it ends there but there be a state no interest that is the capital yankuma kwesemu maybe a kasaba ko ekwa trigger bibi na the disunity aba me akwasi tika there people campaign for two women estima a step in the right direction okay you know we are going properly tawantawa bibi horomo and now ko salam down so I can't know abana ko ni bi correct what you say we move everything cause harm on the feet and you know ya jaw horomo ya kana national interest ala say ka football say this is a preferential treatment horomo just about 31 days near where I have gone and to say ka say ya hwan then tawantawa or stone boy ko Becca telling a bella any idea then the passion of the nation is football I think any watching let's carry the room as a country I mean a very wise decision.
Okay, the media when America nkomo ya kire say once upon a time na president bi Ghana the ni kire mulego say conference students o na nka makoye demonstration okoye students ne say musua de ana o say kromonyo ya emfa degree nya hwe nti o mesin ne enkoye demonstration ti nyame adoma ye besan kasa bi oni ahwa ba kromadwo wa
Badia professor
ti Mr. Obi be do say office here why
Okay.
Okay, but voices no farmer still are you a man for still are who are sending so
and I'm saying that and I'll say it again. The captain was willing to speak with China at the chain, and now we have a very new twist because my country is here. It will just be unfair on the part of Mpenifor and Kata. As just after Kasa yen Katani, maybe I hope Babon the Kasa and I will release a couple of audios. I have said it emphatically, and I'll stick to my words to say when the West get to the West, all these voices and they come out. I mean, trust me, and get about. But at this stage, at this juncture, let's wait something for the Jim Comer West in the the document Babon, then we take it from there.
Okay.
Unity here and the unity and I say we are and interest.
Okay. But me no no so crash and boss nyame adoma kan no pe ba wo be pone voice no kakra matie bi but still and no as ne and pe de akonia ba sa we yefim wa mama anopay wala no na da len kasa already station kwa makasa be 80 so voice nka pone kakra ma me amese pone wa na share bu ana se o share fanya hwe
wala le de ma wa de magana for and trust me when we get there we will cross the bridge
say o de mama ya na authenticate here na me so maka say ampa ne menua na kan na no kretro do so hu
ene kadam tane ma mo open ni tie
What's the video?
And then we are some work at them. Because you say, one can't come over here. And I'm to know. But Kosi cannot say that because me and Katami friend. How much need the judgment? Many Katai. And many Katano. You are who send me didn't come out. And your captain is on the kind. And it is not different from any of the Kayakano. All these issues are bad. Well, your voice is not a bit proof. You need to answer and 22 that. But in your short, you knew Honomo. There be a penfolio Masakan, Yinyai, na Omo, and Tuatua, no Pam and Samuel Copim say, a dear Sudia in a penal, everybody national in the Wallace.
Okay, Medasi Baby.
Let's win at the prof.
Okay, Mr. Obin, Anna Otten and Kansas City, as a more prasundi, a rest and never be see a call out media, woman egusu aid in the moon. But quickly, Memra a Hanum, Ghana Volleyball Association for Musuko Papa, na Nano Quesada me from Mama, na an idiot, a Mabi Pima, Idisubawa, a team manager at the Mount Volleyball team in our face, so a Mano Richard, a player, and Isaac Opon, and so a coach of Hanum. Obusian for Mama Quaba. Bibia Bocodier, me patro, Isaac Opon. Okay, when are you coach? Okay. Nankasa Mutu Quambi on.
Nansaki took last week Friday. You're quite every quiz. You can't qualify for all African games. But I'm being funny to my uncle.
I didn't see.
I need a major my team manager.
Okay, team manager. I didn't see any money uncle. Disubawa.
Yes, it's a county finance.
Okay, Omsi Muniska.
Almost now you here $8,000 for participation fee.
Okay. Participation fee $8,000. Okay.
Participation $50 per player. That time the number of players in the team. Time these are on by competitions.
Okay.
Any Adriani for the team. Okay. Any internal transportation.
Okay.
And $8,000 in or my farmer into Antimanco.
And for non farmer.
Both ministry of sports and national sports authority.
One can say this kind of house we
originally as a minister na omuye huejuma, but omusi omati International Games Committee be for the All African Games. Inti bibiania yemfa omoso, but answer na ebeko hono say a call through sports authority na o masendi amomo, but ya ni na still bibia nkoso.
And you time when I'm presenting my budget in the mom.
As far as I know, president of federation was signing budget on the 7th of April.
Okay.
Now the secretary general said
April
yes.
Okay.
Now the budget in the country secretary general on your employee of National Sports Authority on presenting budget new. And all along no besano or say or na omo boss no or medjuma or hono or medjuma or meeting. And a car by 1 week to tournament no. Na ye did you call director general no. Initially no see budget no obetimi handle wo baby or one National Sports Authority without going to the ministry no. Enti eko ho no na osesa na adwe or say the only thing he can do to forest Obama transportation to Abidjan and back, fuel the bus, but transportation, participation fee, no, yeah, federation, no, we should come up with it. The president can say, where will we get $8,000 to pay? No, say okay, and the intro call games committee, no, and your money copy, na your minister copy, na yes sir.
Okay, nti aban kase on share niska but o say on tua because no mo person mo betua ese mo na mutua mo association no
sana Sports Authority Director General country.
Okay.
O say obomamba bus na they call but participation fee no yen pay finance
nka mo pre-finance mo peska fan go tua na le tom dia mamo na
sana o tre na yeah,
There's Roman and say about the country, and yes, I'm going home.
Yeah, France beach volleyball team called Abuja. 10,000 Ghana cedis up to now. They be a core.
A bank has some finance beach volleyball. 10,000 Ghana cedis. Basically, a bank TI.
National Sports Authority or see on mine 10,000 Ghana cedis. But scan and year ready. Into pre-finance. And you call cross country buses. Ona omoye bibia my na invoice no more. Still up to today I can say omuntu ai.
Ntiama abanka se monsan prefinance all African games game ya moko yi no. Ana mamubo hu kakra hu.
Because normally all African games political games. Africa bia pese obobi. Into all African games no government na finance all over. I mean, on our finance bibia. Yes, some kind of wonder say, on baka say, pre-finance.
Okay. Idris Uba, on our team manager, Edema Volleyball Association. Wow, what check a cranameboa. Best in field Rossini.
15 years now.
Okay. Sir, pre-finance and then buying pens so and say previous government was not the same thing.
Okay, competitions be or ye pese a core. Yenim say who the budget new government on to ya because a friendly gamer.
Okay.
On to ya. And the friendly games is as a boy because a ma team no experience. Into yana your finance no moko. Your finance build volleyball team to world championship. Our government knew we were Holland. Wow. But all African games there, me who be that say government see mumpep iskana munkoye. All the time in my volleyball life, me volleyball national team. Me who be that government finance. This is the first time me say you see federation pre-finance all African games qualifier.
First time yeah.
First time I meeting my call all African games by 6 and 7.
Amano Richard and I'm a boy.
Pachawani.
We a player on volleyball player.
Pachawani.
Okay, Manko net is saying we okay.
Me okay.
Sir.
Pachawani.
It's the end of preparation. Manko my disappointed.
Very, very disappointed. Because I say yeah, sacrifice be brave Ghana volleyball. Abano acquaintum echo outside the country. Sometimes it may be 3 days on the road going for a competition.
Moon for flight car.
Baby.
Munam FM sa
serious.
3 days on the road.
On the road.
And I'll bet me Ghana.
Obet me adu honum the following day na yes over match.
Moko e competition ma my Ghana.
On my Ghana.
Na munam road.
Jesus
Christ. We need Jesus. We're a situation we need Jesus and
it's very serious. It's very serious.
It's more place na yes I send am feeling.
At times I say mimi who say I say per game nintia because ye nyina Ghanaians and na ukoye bibima or mine no na say ukona I say they don't recognize you. I say omo who say we free u country call other country call games among sometimes you feel bad but all the same no ye pese ye na obi nkan say ye omko ye kra no omankogu ye nimasi we still make our name and make Ghana proud.
Okay, my memory reduce about how your team manager was it April na mo mo proposal na say mo budget na ma ban
April 7th.
April 7th. Just some few months to the May ya yeremi.
Yes.
Na on for say short to do. Sometimes as mo so mo nyam
na competition no. Reporting May 17th. Oh, now it's a presenting a budget April 17th. It's a quite a long time. Oh, I see. Me said that attack. I see the budget in the ballot on the 15th, which is not true. On the contrary, our content ensure sa letter no. April 15th no to the minister and the games committee because original budget you know obia who baby a budget ni wo obia who baby a budget ni wo.
Okay, coach, as a way the mabregu na
the other say adia me cry as a coach me yani say ye football tournament in Nigeria about 2 months ago. Ghana police and Eco boy now about 95% players no ana ejina o Ghana na Nigeria ene o qualify for all African games no Nigeria no so no about 95% and a war customs team I can say Nigeria for no money me receive 4 teams Ghana police show me na Ghana police show mo no sa players na ye Ghana national team players no say see and Ghana you lose especially the men's side no all African games are boying Nation Cup are boying and I qualify for 2020 Japan so boy if they are qualify you go tournament no say see no a man also prepare for on the 2nd June for Abuja for all African games nti e bomb pa ese mpin for no e betimi aboa ya ma e ma no etimi akọ
okay
yes na abregu
Mama for 30,000 callers be on some of these issues now for yes fan so 03022165545 03022165546 me for 30,000 callers and sunny asoro so enwumre ma nya 30,000 na men sorry enko fida jenhwe hello 03022165545 03022165546 hello
Ali
yeah bacho wani
me bacho champan taxi do bani wala
me bacho enkwe
wala o hwe ensemna on obi manager ne question me say o hwe date na 7 we na o mutualeta no ko na ipia o ze nyitia na report 17 million then de asa nyame je nka no ko aba o sikaje no and say if go Asempa FM go wala mo ko program mo ko abon ko program ko say mo ko jisika say o ko chiro to na dey amount process on intimidia me to me say sabi isa ana tu no so no empanifo na nkasa so obuso ma wa jise nya de mebo ho dey to grow na deputy minister of sports ka say obi na iri shede mo a no mo ko hwe internet so no ma tro we program no aba no ma tiku no mo ya susu ishi bi ntino ni na no ka ho ntino say omo fo mani na even ko mo police for so jafo mo da no.
Okay, Obinzumra, hello.
Hello, good evening.
Yeah, good evening, Patwani.
Me Pacho Family James Jojo Dazi.
Me Patwenkwe.
Me Asempa kupena me person me kan no kweka. Ai any system no munti na ko fa science bebre ni na aba. In nyame nim no kwani uko tournament na issues we ni na eba. Say wala so wa be dia da say ye kan no kra e system no mu a anka nyama bebre wo hono ma anka ina ayeti anka yente.
Matime Dasi. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, good evening. Yeah, good evening.
Yeah, me bacho because of it with the Theophilus.
Yeah, quite Theophilus.
Well as Ubo Jumapa o Sibia o ye interview cry especially yebeda wasina. The latter part of the program no I am happy. According to the Ghana no ye ni akodibo nechi too much and I bibia wa hefika ye di ball for echi. Some kofu yo mani abele peso mu ye bibi ma Ghana but here's the case I fiomo. In fact I am here and tomorrow na mo warm na bibia o mbia o metuna ya bom no me wale mi judi mo na mo bom why.
Okay. Hello.
Professor E.K. Wallace.
Me Patwani.
Idiano Rata, the whole Ghana. Do not from experience, my Wallace.
Okay, Yankwe.
Nampacha na pomu today.
You what you say, Busunga Krakra.
Na Adawisha.
I never went to me, ma.
Oh, ma. Afrono. At the Waja man Afrono. Acquire fool. Umushi. Erade. Dipa Penny. Captain, and to my way, I didn't say to bonus you. You got it. Well, now, to my get you, I didn't answer. Hey, then you put us in this monashat you. Nay, as a son of so Ghana, my young man, you, I could see the Hunkunya.
Mebo, Uzu said, Sanka Samoja and money and Kibisi of a cap number, the uncle, Mamba Park, guess up in your own. Hello, Bajo, any.
Ale bubu konkrom tadu
kuma twenque
me that's issue na bubu nti eja o ye butu nkunyam na ja o ye tie bisa wali me de me be sere Ghana fo nyina se respect ya kwasi apia decision yes wa ngoje aye pam no no take decision obetumi akwaje nso a enu su ye munu ye kum ko fan ku di utu nyina to captain band so akwasi apia defend day se bibia nim na ene de obi nso mra me captain bi na nso se wu bia chesa no ma de won sere abribia yemfa mo na aka se ifia akonya medase
me last one.
Hello, Wale.
Yeah, but your last one, Yanko.
We're a big man at the morning, air conditioning specialist, Masum. BYP, so a 2 Jan come up, bright, a boat, a money. Now, Wale, football, no, Ghana, players in the doors, when I say to me, a boat, been to be not chance, Nadia, almost so to me, a bomb homodin, no more bobo, and I may be so a conquer more my Ghana. And she said, Obi, you know, free me, say, oh, moi, I say to me, Fabi, no, Emma, almost a chance, no, to me, a good dinner, no, say, I'll be to me, a conquer, I'm a grow Ghana for you now, any adje, and she, and to Tony, you say, yeah, bet me, a cock, then pipe, but time more, my canity, no more craft corners, or no more to me, a quack, corner.
Okay, okay, Madam, I say, you'll be here now, Messer, na Dr. Collins Edu Bempabrubi. Dr. Collins Edu Bempabrubi, senior lecturer, acting dean, graduate school, GIG, visiting assistant professor, University for Peace, Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, adjunct lecturer, African Studies, University of Ghana, and an emame edampem. Na oba penyin Doctors Edubi aka Akosia Adade ana Dr. Mameno na nanu ada doctor ene na busuafo nyina ko mukruma amako kata mame achi se kama na nyame adoma final funeral rites na beba so memeda 25th of May 2019 ewo amanya dodo wakwemu amanya dodo wakwemu ho ana Dr. Collins Edu Bempabrubi senior lecturer me lecturer papa no ne mame na dampe manko boame a mama ntia nkata na chi anya yi kama ahwe be afete me marks ne timisrew Dr. Collins Edu Bempabrubi ne mame oba panyin Doctors Edubi aka Akosia Dede ene dampe mi nyame adoma ewo amanya eye dodoa uko etobuto no side baby a obekọ no memeda 25th of May 2019 GIG lecturer kata na mame achi krakrakra final funeral rites e wakọboa emaniama atia koyi wasem de ya na akoya nkwaja akoyesem tekramaso moja ya mini bini apibia gusi pie nyame adoma nkoma aka weche ene doson Rocket Clinic Limited o madama womso ed Veni capsules na ba ho Ven capsules VENE VENE Ven capsules Ven capsules sana right abi masutise Ven capsules VENE na se Ven capsules ana omde abadro ebo adwuma bruta se prostate ho how bi na wa na enlargement no olusu control emra wo dwonso wo sene mesi koso dwonso ukete so kra dwonso no so ibu ana ne man fitemfite bi na mu enya nika ni nyina no osaka Ven capsules ya VENE ebeboa emaniama etia koye edi amount wo di alkaline mineral water inuma eboa pa emetu ase kra tentem mesra wo hwe akiri kwan a ye wo Adenta Pantan Junction ho KTV building ni mu ha ana sabetia kan Repatch Ventures ebema Ven capsules CB VENE na on empemfo atwenko na afi Repatch Ventures ewo kan shi Kingswalk Keba Nisi Pharmacy na afi Baseline Pharmacy ana Ozones Chemist obetia friend was 0244183230 0244183230 na on empemfo atwetwen komoni aboa emaniama etia koye edi amatie ni komono besia volleyball for ebedi mo hyehyɛ na chi na afia hwese be a next time aban ebetimi atoto ne mayi aboa mo tie dem asese to nsafre mobile okay inti yedisia give the untied mami esum na bodwe she has buried her head in the cup of her hands ana oguso emiamia laptop no hu se jabrefa enso kwa obruku ahene woni doctor na ne boama wom so ebo mo hyelai anche bia wom de ne aka na eba beto asusum asem de wom ne betumi asado masu koroma chechire se na ne ma esia kwanti beja mom na omso de ne aka na etua brekoso am afide ne na ha na kwa obruku ahene transia oboni free chua bi ne ma kakra kakra bi odema madam hatimi yekumo ne eba no esoso sen ne abakọ no koso am afide no na Asempa 94.7 FM Prof EK wala sagudi catch my so
Besu no meto